Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these delicious lemon protein bowls. They're so yummy. They're definitely full of lemon flavors. So if you like your protein bowls a bit sour and you love lemon, this recipe is for you. Now let's get started. Into a food processor, add your lemon juice, then add your cashew butter, agave syrup, or you can use maple syrup. Then add your coconut flour, protein powder of your choice, lemon zest. I'm also adding turmeric powder for the color, and then coconut oil melted. You're gonna blitz everything together until the mixture starts to come into this nice thick bowl, just like this. And I usually take it out and I wear gloves because it's going to be very sticky, and you can wet them a little bit and shape the sausage and then break it into nice small pieces. The amount of your protein balls will depend on how big you want them to be. Now then, just roll each one in your hand. You can wet your hands or put a little bit of oil in your hands. This will keep it easier to roll them out into nice shapes just like that. These are so yummy, fresh and lemony, and they're perfect as a quick snack or dessert if you want something healthy and yummy. Keep these in the fridge or freezer and enjoy.